What is the significance of Janmashtami? The options are A. Celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna. B. Celebrated as birthday of Balrama. C. Celebrated as birthday of Arjun. D. Celebrated as the birthday of Lord Rama. The correct answer is A. Celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna. When is Janmashtami celebrated? The options are A. Celebrated at the beginning of the summer. B. Celebrated at the beginning of the winter. C. Celebrated on the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadrapada. And D. Celebrated at the beginning of the rainy season. The correct answer is C. Celebrated on the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadrapada. Janmashtami represents, the options are A. Trump of good over evil. B. Trump of bad over good. C. Beginning of the new season. And D. Festival of money and wealth. The correct answer is A. Trump of good over evil. Janmashtami is related to which god? The options are A. Lord Krishna. B. Lord Rama. C. Lord Shiva. Or D. Lord Hanuman. The correct answer is A. Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is the incarnation of which god? The options are A. God Vishnu. B. God Brahma. C. God Shiva. Or D. Indradev. The correct answer is A. God Vishnu. The term Krishna in Sanskrit means, the options are A. Blue. B. Dark blue. C. Purple. Or D. Black. The correct answer is D. Black. Where did Lord Krishna born? The options are A. Hastinapur. B. Indraprastha. C. Mathura. Or D. Vrindavan. The correct answer is C. Mathura. Where did Lord Krishna spend his childhood? The options are A. Mathura. B. Vrindavan. C. Hastinapur. Or D. Dwarka. The correct answer is B. Vrindavan. What was the name of Lord Krishna's brother? The options are A. Rama. B. Arjun. C. Balram. Or D. Karan. The correct answer is C. Balram. Name the dance which Lord Krishna used to play with the gopis of Vrindavan. The options are A. Ramlila. बी कथकली, सी रासलीला और डी यक्षगाना। The correct answer is C. Raslila. Who was the actual mother of Lord Krishna? The options are A. Devki, B. Yasoda, C. Kunti or D. Ambalika. The correct answer is A. Devki. Name the material uncle of Lord Krishna who was slain by God. The options are A. Eklavya, B. Jayadratha, C. Kans or D. Sisupal. The correct answer is C. Kans. Who among the following was not the wife of Lord Krishna? The options are A. Radha, B. Rukmani, C. Satyabhama or D. Jamvanti. The correct answer is A. Radha. Which wife of Lord Krishna was considered to be the incarnation of goddess Lakshmi? The options are A. Rukmani, B. Radha, C. Jamvanti or D. Bhadra. The correct answer is A. Rukmani. Who was Lord Krishna's favorite among the brothers of Pandavas? The options are A. Bhim, B. Arjun, C. Sahadev or D. Yudhishthir. The correct answer is B. Arjun. Which hill Lord Krishna lifted to protect the people of Vrindavan from Indradev's rainstorm? The options are A. Pariyatra, B. Sahaya, C. Raivatika or D. Govardhan. The correct answer is D. Govardhan. What Lord Krishna used to steal from gopis' pots? The options are A. Milk, B. Makhan or butter, C. Dahi or D. Laddu. The correct answer is B. Makhan or butter. Which female demon or which demon was killed by Lord Krishna during childhood? The options are A. Kesi, the horse demon, B. Bakasur, C. Aghasur or D. Putna. The correct answer is D. Putna. On which river bank Krishna used to play his flute? The options are A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Saraswati or D. Narmada. The correct answer is B. Yamuna.